Hi guys! So today I'm going to do a what I got for Christmas video. First things first, as you can see I changed my hair color again. This time it's the Directions Fire and Coral Red mixed together, 50-50. And then you get this, just a mix of orange and red. And I think it's kind of similar to the Hayley Williams orange red she had one day. It was kind of her signature hair color. I just wanted to get this out of the way really quickly because maybe you guys would have any questions about this. As I said, I'm going to show you what I got for Christmas this year. You can always leave down below in the comments what you guys got for Christmas if you want, because I always enjoy seeing what other people got or hearing about it. I hope you enjoy this video, and yeah, let's begin! First I'm going to show you what I got from my parents. It's something they bought for me together, and I didn't get it on Christmas because I asked for it before Christmas and I could really use it then and there. So we went and bought it, and yeah, I started using it before Christmas. It's this external hard drive. It's called the Porsche Design Desktop Drive by Lassie. I don't know, it's this huge thing. I have two different MacBooks, one for my schoolwork and one for my photography and YouTube and stuff. And since my concert photography stuff and YouTube stuff are really big files, my computer was full quite quickly. It's a 1 terabyte MacBook and it's almost full in a year, so I could really use it. When I started using this, I only had like 5 gigabytes left on my computer, so I backed it up, deleted everything from my computer so it wasn't as slow, and yeah, that I could start taking more pictures and stuff. It's an 8 terabytes external hard drive, so yeah, it's the biggest one we could find. It's really nice that I finally have this. I will take it out of the box because this box is kind of bulky, but of course the external hard drive itself isn't as big as the box. This is the size of the external hard drive itself. It's a really simple design. I really like it. It seems really sturdy. It's it really comes in handy. You just have to plug it in your computer, and then you're set. This one was already designed for a MacBook, so I didn't have to do any other programming or anything. So this was really easy to use, and I really like this. And yeah, thank you parents for buying me this really nice thing. So the next presents I got are from my grandmother, so the mother of my father, and she always gives me money every year, and it's really nice because I'm always in need of some cash, of course. She gave me 70 euros, and then I just can do with it whatever I want, and I think that's really nice. Then from my aunt, that's the sister of my mother, I also get cash every year, and from her I got 60 euros. I'm really grateful for it. And yeah, let's get into what Elisa and her family gave me. So I'll start with what Elisa gave me. She got me 3 presents, and I'm really happy with all of them. She gave 2 of the 3 presents on Christmas when we were with her dad, and then the bigger present she gave when we were at her mom's place for New Year's. So I'll start with what she gave me on Christmas. She gave me 2 cassette tapes. If you remember from our 3-year anniversary, she also gave me cassette tapes because I have a cassette radio in my car, and I do have this thing you can hook your phone up with. But sometimes when we're going to the Netherlands or another country, or just when there's bad service, that will kind of be weird and there will be a lot of distortion, so I have to switch to cassette tapes or the normal radio. But yeah, I just like having my own music in the car, so she gave me these two cassette tapes. But this one is a Knuckle Puck Shapeshifter. I didn't even have this one on vinyl or CD, and I actually haven't even listened to it yet, but I bet it's really good because it's Knuckle Puck, and yeah, Knuckle Puck are really good. So this is what it looks like. It's a grey cassette tape, as you can see. So yeah, not just a boring black one or anything. So yeah, just a grey cassette tape. And then the second one is Paris's White Noise. Yeah, if it wasn't obvious already, I really like Paris. So yeah, that's always a good option for music stuff. And this one is a clear cassette tape. It says Paris, White Noise, of course. You can see my face through it, maybe. So yeah, just that's what this one looks like. So yeah, I was really happy to get some cassette tapes because yeah, she's kind of helping me grow my cassette collection. So yeah, that's really nice. So the bigger present she got me is this thing over here. This is the Melita Cremio Hot and Cold, and this is a machine to heat up milk or froth milk. You can froth it hot and cold. And yeah, I was really happy with this one because I used to go and buy some chai lattes just at a coffee shop, but most chai lattes at coffee shops use the same brand, and that brand switched to adding milk in the powder mixture. So I bought myself this chai latte mix. I found it in, where was it? Somewhere in the Netherlands, in Tilburg, when we went to Barrymore actually. This is chai matcha, so it's not really the same as chai because I used to get the vanilla chai, but this one is vegan. Yeah, it's a really nice chai mix. I know you can also make chai yourself, but it's just easier when it's out of a container like this. It's just a powder like this. And yeah, I really enjoy it, and I have a machine like this at home, but I'm always complaining that I'm craving some chai latte and I never can get any when I'm in my dorm. So she got me this machine. I'm not going to take it out of the package because it's really difficult to put it back in, but you can see on the box how it looks. It's just a white machine. You put the milk in it, you put the milk in here, and then you put the lid on, and then it just does its magic. And yeah, you can just heat up milk. I'm probably going to heat up some chocolate milk, especially now in winter, and use the frothing function for chai lattes because I don't really drink coffee. So yeah, I'm really happy with this present once again. So thank you, Elisa, for buying me these pretty awesome presents. Now I will show you what presents I got from Elisa's dad. Before Christmas, her dad actually asked us to make a list with some present ideas because yeah, he only sees me every year during the holidays, so he doesn't actually know me, and it's just easier for him if we just give him some ideas and then he can choose what he buys us. So I kind of knew what I was getting, but kind of not, because I gave him like 6 present ideas or so, and I got 2 of them, so it was still kind of a surprise. So the first thing I got is this Dream Cream by Lush, the self-preserving version, because I think the normal version isn't vegan, correct me if I'm wrong, but I think it's not vegan, but I explicitly said that he should ask for the vegan version. I asked for a sample of this last month or 2 months ago, so I could try it on my tattoos, because I've heard some great things about this cream for tattoos and tattoo healing, and yeah, I really liked it, so that's why I asked for a full size of this. It's a 240 grams tub. So yeah, I'm really happy with this because it's really nice for my tattoos. They get nourished very well, and yeah, I even use it just for my arms and the rest of my legs and stuff, because it's a really moisturizing cream but not oily, if that makes sense. Because for example, the charity pot, I really like the scent of it, I really like how moisturizing it is, but it's kind of oily and I don't really like that part of the cream, but this one isn't, so I'm really happy that I have this now in my collection. And the second thing he got me is a camera cleaning kit. It's 5-in-1 kit, so this is what was in it. It was in a package, but I obviously opened it already. So these are the things that were in it. So the first thing that's in it is this cleaning liquid for lens and LCD, 20 milliliters. So it's just a spray bottle with some cleaning liquid inside of it, so you can clean your lens and camera and stuff. Really handy, really small, so it's easy to pop in my camera bag. So I have this with me all the time if my lens gets dirty or something. The second thing that was in it are 5 earbuds. This is kind of random, because most of the cleaning kits I saw didn't have this, but I guess it could come in handy. But yeah, that was in it. Then there is a booklet kind of thing with some cleaning paper, yeah, some drying paper, I guess. So if you use the liquid, you can use a paper sheet like this to clean it and dry. Then there was this thing, so it has a little brush to brush the dust particles off your lens and stuff, and you can push this thing. I don't know if you can hear that. Yeah, so you can blow the air without blowing with your mouth, because that's hot air and then it will fog up, and yeah, this is just easier. And then another thing, but I don't have that with me, what was in the kit is a fiber cloth. You've all seen it, also to clean your lens and camera, because obviously it is a camera cleaning kit. So those are the two things that I got from Elisa's dad. So next up I will move on to what I got from Elisa, her grandmother, or actually what we got from her grandmother. What we got from her grandmother is in this thing. Kind of random, but it's something Elisa found and reused, because she gave us money last year, and just for the both of us, so we can do some nice stuff. And yeah, this is like our piggy bank, so we just put the money inside of this, and yeah, we used it all year. We actually went to Braverie again after my exam, so that's like 2 weeks ago. I made a vlog in Braverie once, so I linked that one in the description also. But yeah, that's what we use this for. This year we got money again. We got 100 euros for the both of us, like I said, so we can do some nice stuff, go out for dinner and stuff. And we also got 4 cinema tickets. It's really nice, so we can go to the movies twice, because there are some movies that are playing right now, and there probably will be some movies we will want to see together this year, so that was a nice present. What's also in this jar over here is 2 cinema tickets once again, and a food and drink voucher for €5, and Elisa got that from her boss. She works in the bakery on weekends, not every weekend, but when she can. And that was the Christmas present that she got from her boss, so that's in this jar as well. So we will definitely use what's in this year, so yeah, that's a really nice present. And then last but not least, what I got from Elisa's mom. It's also in that jar because we also got some money to spend together, €40 to be exact. So yeah, that was really nice. I really like it when her family gives us money for the both of us, so we can actually do things together, because I really like materialistic things, but I don't know, I think it's kind of nicer to just get money or something like cinema tickets that we can actually do something together and enjoy together, because yeah, you can never have enough dates, you can never have enough time together, so I really enjoy those kind of gifts, so we can make some trips. So yeah, I really appreciate that we got those things. But I also got something for myself, well, not for myself because Elisa will probably use it as well, but from Elisa's mom again, and it's this vegan cookbook. It's a really nice cookbook, really thick, really nice artwork. It really feels nice, it has some texture. It's the vegan cookbook by Jean-Christian Jury, or how do you pronounce it? I think that's a French name, right? And I think they also have this cookbook in English, but this one is in Dutch. But yeah, it looks really nice, it feels really nice. Let me see how many pages are in this one. It has 478, you heard that right, 478 pages. It's like, it also has some really nice pictures. It has a really nice index in the back, so you have an index just alphabetically, but also in order of the countries that the dishes are for the course, for the kind of dish, so it's really easy to find things in this. And also those are really easy recipes with few ingredients, and it's explained really easy, really well, and yeah, it's just really nice how this is structured. I'll show you some pictures and some recipes really quick. This or this one. There are not that many pictures, but I don't really mind that, because that means you get more recipes, if that makes sense. So most of the pages just look like this, so there are 4 recipes on this spread, and as you can see, the recipes are really short, and yeah, I think it's really well written, and I will definitely use this one for inspiration. So yeah, this is a really great present. I really liked it, and I didn't expect this present at all, but it was really nice to see this. So yeah, I'm definitely going to enjoy it. Elisa is going to as well. So yes. So yeah, that was everything I got for Christmas this year. I really enjoyed every single one of the presents. I'm really thankful for them, and like I said, leave in the comments down below what you guys got for Christmas, and let me know what you thought of this video. It's kind of late because it's like 2 weeks after Christmas already, but I still hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!